Do you see what that is? It's sun. It's no rain. So that means we're gonna wrap the Mustang.
Ready, set, and go!
Here it is. It's looking pretty darn good. I think we're ready to start bringing it in and wrapping it. Ta-da! Ta-da! So I can't believe it. Don't do it. Don't skip it. Don't skip the prep. It's tempting. You're in a hurry. You want to get going. Worst idea. Every single time I've skipped the prep, I've wanted to lay myself under the car and put a brick on the gas pedal and end it right there and then. So I've learned now, take the time. Right now I'm going ahead and clay barring it. It's great for just picking up all the tiny grime and crap all over the car. The next thing that I do is I spray it down with alcohol. I use a microfiber cloth and just get it nice and clean. I'm setting myself up for success. And the last thing that I do here is I tape off. This is something new that I've learned. And tape off these edges, which helps me tuck the wrap in because it's not sticking to the other body panels. I was so cheap, I didn't want to buy this tape, and I finally did. And boy, oh boy, was it worth it, let me tell you. Found a little piece of plastic there. So we're pretty much ready to get wrapping. Yee-haw! Ah! job well done. Took me 3 hours, but I got the passenger side fender done. And I also vacuumed my garage and I swept it and it looks great. So if you want to see more, come back. I'll be finishing up the car slowly but surely. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.